Hello everyone, this is Mitush coming to you with another quick trip for Trimble Business Center 5 and up. So the biggest hurdle everybody is having is with the ribbons, right? Trimble have introduced this new light version, which personally I always like to take the challenge and learn them. However, few of my clients have been complaining about it. So there is few things you can do to bring it back to your original state, right? So one of them I found is if you right click in this blank space and you go to customize ribbon, right at the top here you can turn off and on all the menus whichever you want. So as you can see, I don't use the utility, I don't use the tunnels or mobile mapping, so they are turned off, right? So this will kind of declutter the ribbons, right? Another thing you can do under separate ribbon, you hit options, and right at the bottom you have the theme options. It's the light one which they have introduced, or you can go to traditional, which will bring back the color for your ribbons basically. So it takes 2 seconds to switch, but once you switch that, you can go to your home, and as you can see, you get all the colors, right? Even under support, all the beautiful color icons which we are used to from previous versions. Still, this wasn't enough for few of my clients, and they were complaining, well, I'm used to having edit here and my projects and all. I really like the menus from version 4. So to do that is when you install the Trimble Business Center version 5, you don't necessarily overwriting the version 4, so you can basically run them both at the same time as I'm doing here right now. So I just switched to version 4. When you hit customize ribbon, there is that option of exporting the ribbons, right? Now you have to make sure that you really want this, because it will export all of them for you, right? So if you hit export, let's do it in my desktop, right? Change the format to XML. As you can see, I have one here. I'm just gonna overwrite it. So this is menu for 4.x, right? Let's call it that, and I'm just gonna save it, hit OK. So now I have exported all these menus, so the project, view, edit, right? Then I'm gonna go back to my version 5, do the same thing, customize ribbon, and I'm gonna import, right? So I'm gonna go to my desktop, I'm gonna switch to XML, I'm gonna hit the menu, hit open. Okay, and as you can see, they are already changed, right? So once I hit OK, our menu, right, our menu it's completely identical to the menu from the version 4, right? So the background is the version 4, front is version 5. The only way to basically differentiate those two is the icon on the top left corner, right, or about. So as you can see, I have project here, I have project here, view, edit, right? So if you really are used to these menus, this is how to get them up to 4 point. Again, if you change your mind and you don't like that, go back to customize ribbon, and there is reset all customization. It will delete all the menus, which we really don't care because we have the backup on our desktop, right? And I'm back to square one, where I have my light version of the version 5 menus. Hope you have enjoyed this quick trick for Trimble Business Center and menus. hit the like and comment in the comment section. Until next time, have fun.